welcome back. So today we are going to be doing another Wecreat Laser project, but today we're going to be engraving a tumbler. Now, I've already done it. The project is finished because you guys, there was a lot of trial and error. There's a lot of trial and error making these tumblers. You have to get the settings right. The settings may be different per the tumbler that you're using. Different brands, different settings, different outcomes. It is a huge learning curve. So yeah, I've already completed the project, but it came out so cute. You guys already know it's spooky season on the channel. We are doing spooky season from here until pretty much October when we go into Christmas. So of course I had to make a spooky season tumbler. This is a, I think if this was a Stanley, it would be a Chroma Stanley, but it's not, because one thing that I've also learned making or engraving tumblers using a laser, do not use a name brand tumbler when you're first starting. Don't waste your money and buy a $50, $60 Stanley only to mess it up. So definitely go with a off-brand. This is a dupe tumbler that I got from overseas. But you guys, oh, and then for your snacks, is that not the most adorable thing? So you put your drink in the top part, and then the bottom part screws on for your snacks. Is that not the most adorable thing you've ever seen? Oh my word, I absolutely love how this tumbler turned out. So we will be making this tumbler today. Now, if you would like to see me do a regular stainless steel Stanley dupe, let me know in the comments down below. If you also want to see me do different sizes, I can also do that for you as well. I know I'm a predominantly glitter tumbler channel, but because I got the laser, I've been having so much fun lasering tumblers and figuring out this machine, which is absolutely amazing. Perfect for the first time laser engraver enthusiast. If you'd like to check it out and also purchase one, I'll have a coupon code down below in the description box, as well as the link to the laser that I have. But y'all, let's go ahead and get started. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay fam, the first thing we need to do is extend our rotary out so the 40-ounce tumbler will fit in the working area in the Wecreat software. There are extenders that you can purchase on Etsy now, but Andre Johnson from the Wecreat users group extended his rotary using some screws and hex nuts, so I thought I would also give it a try, and it has worked out perfectly. I'll have the links to the screws and hex nuts in the description box down below. Once you are finished extending your rotary, place it into your machine. Make sure your machine is turned off before you plug it in, and then when you're done, turn your machine back on and you'll be ready to prep your tumbler. Take the handle off using a screwdriver and bend down the tabs with needle nose pliers. Just in case the laser hits the upper lip that is not powder coated, I'm also going to be using aluminum foil tape to protect it. And to help center my image, I measured my tumbler and saw it was around 12.5 inches around, so I knew the center of the tumbler would be around 6.25 inches. This may differ per tumbler, so make sure you measure your tumblers to be sure. When you're finished prepping your tumbler, place your tumbler in your machine and make sure it is nice and snug. I like to tighten the rotary using all 3 of the openings. Using the roller at the bottom, you're going to lift your tumbler so it's half a bubble off from level. Then you're going to turn your tumbler, placing the level in different spots to make sure it's half a bubble off all the way around. I did this a couple of times to make sure, but y'all, thank you so much to David Ryan from the Wecreat Facebook group for sharing this invaluable tip. It has allowed me to laser my tumblers in one sweep instead of lasering in 2 sections. David, may your pillowcase always be crisp and cool, my friend. When your tumbler is all set up and ready to go, let's now set up our project in the Wecreat software. If you are a Cricut user like me, you'll find the software is really similar to Design Space. So I really was able to jump in and get started. If you would like to use the same file as me, I'll have it linked below in the description box. I will also have all of the settings I used there as well. When you are finished setting up your laser image, hit start and you'll be ready to go. If you get any pop-up warning windows, just go ahead and proceed. Now it said it would take a little over an hour and 10 minutes to complete, but it was more like an hour and a half. Still not bad at all. When it was all finished, I removed the aluminum tape and I cleaned off all the extra burn and dust using the pink stuff and a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I then washed it using Dawn Power Wash and a battery-powered scrub brush. After cleaning, I noticed some black streaks, so I grabbed some acetone and a cotton swab to clean those up. You can also use a paper towel, which is what I actually end up doing because I became impatient. Just be careful if you do because the acetone can start to eat away at the powder coat, so be careful. I also reattached the handle and added the lid. Something I did notice is that around the middle, there is some slight burning in the yellow areas. It doesn't bother me, but you may want to keep that in mind if you want to lower the power on your laser. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support means the whole dang universe to me. Also, another huge thank you to Andre Johnson and David Ryan for your invaluable help in the Wecreat group. If you are not members of the group, I'll post a link below to the group if you'd like to join. Be sure to give a shout out to Andre and David if you do. Have fun making your laser tumblers, and I'll see you again next time.